All right, we're out here at this private track, Facility 15, and we got a new freestyle ramp. This is something I always wanted to do, is send a freestyle ramp. So it's set up at 75 foot. It's got a real nice big landing. I'll show over there, and apparently second gear on a 450 and just sends you right over. So I'll try not to die and send it. But first we're gonna go warm up, do some motos, I guess. You know, get used to riding again, and send the jump. Should be simple. All right. We got roosted. Trying to ride it one hand. Oh, it shifted neutral. Here's my friend Brandon. I have his info right here. He just started a YouTube channel, so go check him out as well. He's filming me today, so I was getting some videos of him as well. All right, so here it is. The ramp is all set up. We got mats are in, it's dry. And got like, it's kind of built in pretty well so that, you know, there's not a total drop off here. Like, it's built up like right up to the jump. So if you were to accidentally, like, say, hit neutral or whatever, you could probably be all right landing right here. But it's a pretty high landing with a nice safety deck on top. I guess like a tabletop of like 20 feet of room over here. Also, it's sand, so you can't really have it be too much of a point, but yeah, set at 75, like right to the knuckle here. And it's got a couple hits on it. And then turn around right here. So second gear, just gonna send it. Should be good. And wait for someone to come out and get a video. Yeah, it's not too bad. Really not bad. I don't know what the standard angle is, but and I guess it's pretty steep. Whatever's normal for a freestyle ramp. Probably like a regular dirt jump, I guess. All right, so that's it. Survived, and definitely a little weird trying to throw whips on that jump, but definitely feels a lot different. You gotta like roll up real slow actually, and it's just like easy second gear. So definitely very different, and it's gonna be fun to try to get good at whips on that. At least it'll stay consistent and you'll always have traction. So, but all right, thanks for watching.